Alright, I'm gonna continue reading from this Numbers series that I have going on. I'll see what I can do. I'll read from April 24th, 2013 at 8:22 p.m. 1. Some things are bound to change. Time, the day, the week, month, year, people, the heart. What the heart wants, the way in which you view your good buddy, change. All of us transforming into people we want to be, don't want to be. People with baggage. Disastrous weight with closets full of fatly calciumed bones. People we never thought ourselves to be. Never. Not ever. People with depression, with happiness, people with hell-driven anger. Some things are bound to change. 2. Here's my soul, my worth, my word, all I've got left to my name, a room temperature black tea, unfinished, unpublished poems, the axis of evil, obnoxious thoughts of Cassandra, of my seasonally sick good buddy who is not in so... Fuck. What is this? Life.